Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Prashigo, and if today is the first time of coming across my channel, please go ahead and subscribe. And to my coming back subscribers, I want to say thank you so much for coming back. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys how to make this beautiful fox lock. And I won't lie to you guys, this thing is super easy to make. If you want to see how I made it, please keep watching. I will be making use of 5 packs of 36 inches fox lock, and each pack contains 17 strands of fox lock. First thing I'll be doing is to wash my fox lock with boiled water because I'm gonna wear it for about 1 month plus, and I do not want my scalp to itch me. Next thing is to box braid my hair. Please, when braiding your hair, make sure the roots are not tight, because when the roots are so tight, the crochet hook do not pass through, and that may cause you pain or hair breakage. The next thing is to keep my hair moisturized by applying some aloe vera mist and some whipped shea butter. I actually made this whipped shea butter and I have the video on my channel. Please check it out. I made the back section of the camera because I do not want this video to be too long. First thing is to put the crochet hook through my natural braid and open the base of the fox lock and attach it to the hook of the crochet and close the lash, then pull it out. After pulling it out, I'll just detach the crochet hook from it, then pass my hair and the crochet and the fox lock through the hole of the fox lock and start unraveling the fox lock and fixing my hair in between. You can see the fox lock is like a twist, so you have to loosen the twist and hide your braid in between the twist. So you loosen the twist and wrap your hair around and wrap it around your hair, and it's gonna twist back if you twist your hair in the direction of the fox lock. So I'm going to do it again, fixing my fox lock into the hook and pull it out, then pass my hair through the hole. Then after doing that, I will just start unraveling the fox lock in the direction it was twisted. Then I will just keep wrapping it round my natural hair. It's so easy, just unravel it and wrap it round your hair, and this is what I'll continue doing. You can just keep watching it closely. I might really not explain it so well, but the more you watch it, the more you understand. I hope you get it. To make the whole process faster, I just went ahead to attach all my fox locks to my braid. This whole process took me about 7 hours to finish it, and the reason is because I had to get up in between to breastfeed my baby or to ease myself, to take a rest, also to walk around. And at the end of the day, it was all worth it because this hair really looks so good on me. One good thing about this fox locks is that it is not heavy. At the end of the whole process, I went ahead to apply some aloe vera mist and shea butter just to keep my hair and my scalp moisturized. And the whole hairstyle came out well. So if you find this video interesting, or if you know you have learned one or two things in this video, or you find my channel interesting as a whole, please guys do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. See you guys in my next video.